Are you about to run a ad or you're trying to sell something on any social media platform and you want to do paid advertisement? Before you do that advertisement, I want you to watch this video till the end because it's going to give you a good idea and few tips for you to get the accurate conversion you need for that ad you're about to run. My name once again is Richard, and this video is brought to you by Business Media Box. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like our video, watch till the end. I want to say a big thank you for everyone that has been following this video. Now, before you run that advert, we have so many social media network. We have Facebook, we have TikTok, we have Instagram, we have LinkedIn. These are all platforms now that allow people to run paid advertisement for you to reach a broader audience and for you to be able to sell or get conversion on the ad you've created. Now, before you run that ad, I want you to understand that each of those platforms work the same way, and the algorithm works in favor of the kind of content you publish on these platforms. Many people say, "Oh, I've run hard and it's not getting conversion." If you are using the wrong content for the right platform, you will not get results. So now, how do you know the right content for you to publish when you want to create advertisement? Now, when we look at Facebook, Facebook is a platform that works for both graphic content, those are still content that are not moving, and it also works very well for video content. Because it's like I used to call Facebook more like the mother, just like when you're looking at a musical instrument, when you look at the keyboard, it's like the mother of all social platforms because Facebook is connected with Instagram, is connected with WhatsApp. So whichever kind of content you're publishing works very well on Facebook. The only thing is that you need to be very careful about you choosing your audience and selecting the right audience you want to see your advertisement. Now let's come to Instagram. Whenever you have a video content that is very engaging, that you want people to connect with, to comment on, to either you want to create lead, I would recommend Instagram. Instagram is very good for video content, irrespective of the age. Remember, I said Facebook can take all content, and Facebook too is very good for all age range. Probably your niche is something that covers within the age of 18 to 65. Facebook is a very good platform because all these age groups spend a lot of time on this platform. But if you are targeting a content for youth or people in the millennial age and very few people that are of higher age, maybe from the age of 45 to 65, you can use Facebook, but you can't use Instagram to get this kind of people. If you are looking at an audience within the age of 18 to 40 and the content you're about to publish is a video content, Instagram is the perfect platform for you to run such ad and you're going to get the right engagement you need. Now let's come to TikTok. When you're looking at TikTok, TikTok is the Gen Z are all over the TikTok. So let's say you are selling things, probably you're selling shoes, you're into products that are really engaging, that is going to favor the Gen Z generation. You can do such a content on TikTok because TikTok is like, we have TikTok shop. If you are looking at, you want to target people of the lower age, content that they really want to engage with, TikTok is a very good platform. Now, when probably you want to do an advert about a company or it's going to be a professional advert, I will recommend LinkedIn. LinkedIn, the platform is built for professionals. More likely, probably you want to have a job advert or you want to sell something about your business or you want to connect to B2B, that's business to business. LinkedIn is a perfect platform for you to use to run your ad. So, understanding each of these platforms, understanding the basics of why these platforms are created is very good. So, you tailor your ad or your content to suit this platform before you run the ad. So before we go further, once again, I would like you to still if you've not subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button because we'll be bringing you so many good updates about how to grow your business and how to leverage social media and media generally to grow your business. So understanding each of these platforms and having an idea of them, before you run that ad, choose the platform you want to leverage on and run that ad on. And I used to say something, there's one thing we call the multi-channel advertisement. You can also do the A and B testing. You do some adverts on Facebook, you do it on TikTok, or you do on Instagram, or you do it on LinkedIn. Then you weigh which one is actually giving me more engagement. Don't just run an ad and leave it there. When you start running the ad, take it back and look at it. Study the both platform and look at where am I getting more engagement. Then you stop the ad on the other one. Then you pull your budget and all your energy on the one that is working for you because that means that is where the right audience you are looking for are. Keep following this channel because I'll be bringing you so many updates. Our next video is going to be on how to use Canva to build, to create good designs without you getting a graphic designer. If you're a small scale business owner, how to use Canva to create amazing design. So thank you for sticking to this video today, and I hope you've been able to learn something, because this is very key, so you don't waste your budget and say, oh, I've run ad on this platform and it's not working. It's because you've channeled the wrong content on such ad. Thank you very much once again. My name is Richard. See you on my next video.